Hey guys, I'm showing you this underbed shoe storage organizer with wheels. It's a sturdy shoe organizer. Underbed fits up to 12 pairs of shoes with adjustable dividers and clear cover. And I think this can also be used for other stuff. It's not just for the shoes, but you can also use it for the storage of other stuff like clothes and stuff. I will show you. But basically this is designed for the shoes. So these are the all things that comes with it, and how to install and set this up. So these are all metal. So a very sturdy frame, and I will install adjust is one by one. So you have to just put line and the click thing, so one in other, and thus you will make the frame first. So you can see like you need to adjust one by one and made this frame. Once the frame is made, you can just put in the rods in between. So the screws and everything is all supplied, the tools, so you can just adjust it and install it. So these are the wheels that goes. So these wheels are have the lock thing here, so you can lock. So two wheels have the lock stuff and two are the normal one. So these are the things for the box stuff. So let's install this one now. Very good, like velcro in the base to adjust. So this velcro will go on the top of this pipe. So this is the base in between, like below that one, so that goes here. So you can see the partition here. So you can do the partition with the velcro, or you can use it like this. It's up to you. So they are different, like the dividers thing like this are provided, and there are multiple of that you can use, and then adjust the velcro. Like you have to stick with the velcro here, and you can also put in between. So they are big shoes, you can do it like that, or they are small shoes, you can also put another dividers. They are multiple dividers thing they provided here. So this is a waterproof cover that can go on the top, transparent waterproof cover, so with the zipper. So it's really a nice design that you can close it, and then you can use whenever you want. It can also goes easily under the bed. I will show you a little time. So there are extra dividers here that you can put in here, so you can put more shoes. So I'm just trying to show you one. So this fits really well, and you can cover this like this with the zipper. So we have a very nice design and sturdy look, and the wheels are also 360-degree rotation with the two lock stuff, and then the handles are also very sturdy, and you can see it here. The handles are also nice, goes under the bed, and you can store your things easily inside it. So very nice design under bed storage.